welcome to my channel. Today we are going to work on the process of e-invoicing. So how can we use e-invoicing in Business Central? First you need to check the general ledger setup. Here you can get the option of C. This is GST related information, and here you can get the option generate e-invoice on Salesforce. It specifies the function through which e-invoice will be generated at the time of sale post. If this is visible in your system, you need to enable it. So when it is enabled, this will work for you to generate the JSON file from the posted sale invoice. So now, if you are creating any kind of sale invoice, you need to create a GST tax invoice, and then after the posting, you need to check here and the posted sale invoice. Like I have posted a sale invoice and I'm going to use it to show how we can create a JSON file to upload into the GST portal, which is governed by the Government of India. So this is the general tab, and we need to check the taxation tab. But I need to create here IRN. There is an option to create IRN. The option name is generate IRN. What is IRN? You need to check. IRN stand for invoice reference number. It is one of the main component of e-invoice. To explain in simple terms, when an invoice is sent to the invoice registration portal, the government assigns a number unique for that particular invoice using the hash algorithm under e-invoicing. So you need to create the hash algorithm. Now you can also check in the detail mode what is meant to be for the e-invoicing. So you can check all the detail, and each invoice uploaded by the taxpayer will get the unique number called as invoice reference number, that is to say IRN. This is containing 64 character lengths and unique number in the GST system, irrespective of taxpayer financial year and document type. IRN is generated by invoice system once the taxpayer uploads the invoice detail. So you can check all the details. Now back to my point, you need to click on generate IRN. Click on it and check your taxation tab. First condition is this is a GST invoice. So check the tax information tab. GST is calculated. Now we are going to check the hash IRN information. This is covered under the tax information tab. And now see IRN hash. So invoice reference number. Invoice reference number means IRN, and the characters. You can check the characters, and it will containing 64 character length. Okay. So you can check this is created. Now we can create e-invoicing, generate e-invoice. So system will create a JSON file, and you can upload this JSON file into the government portal, and the name of the portal is GST portal. So you can upload multi invoice at a time, or you can upload single invoice based on your choices. So first you need to create, see, JSON file has been created. You can use it file for the uploading into the government portal, the GST portal. Now The second point is, after creating this JSON file, the e-invoicing related file, the tax JC tax e-invoicing related file, what we need to do? System has this kind of inbuilt functionality for the e-invoicing. After this, after downloading the invoice of uh, e-invoicing format of JSON file, you can upload this file into the server of GST portal. If you are registered a dealer, if you want to upload directly your e-invoicing into the government portal, you need a API solution. You need a customized developed solution prescribed by the uh, provided by the technical persons. You need a developer who has the expertise in API. They can customize your solution, and then you can connect this your business center system to government system, the GST portal. And then when you get an API system, the customized solution, you can use the API system and you can upload system, you can upload in e-invoices directly to the government portal. See, the APIs, what is API mean? What is an API? Application Programming Interface. Application Programming Interface, right? End user with the browser, then your API, your customized solution with multiple options. You can connect with the API, then the server backend system, and this will connect to the. So you can use the API system to simplify your business, to maintain a customized solution which can help you to upload your e-invoicing into the government portal. So you can check how you can get a developer to build a API system for your business center to upload multiple invoice at a time in a bulk into the GST portal behalf of the registered user, registered dealer.